In the fast-paced world of coding and software development, where every second counts, imagine a day without your trusty AI companion ChatGPT by your side. Oh, the horror! But wait, it happened recently. ChatGPT went down, leaving the new programmers stranded, and the consequences were felt far and wide. ChatGPT is down, so I can't code anymore now, said someone on X. Same. Don't they know I have a product to ship? Bemoaned another developer. Stack Overflow was down, so I couldn't code anymore either. As a fledgling programmer, understanding code that ChatGPT generates is equally important, and that only a real developer can do. I've literally spent 30 minutes just asking it, what does this do? Why did you do that? Why didn't you do this? And it's like having a big brother programmer to explain everything. Developers use it to write boilerplate code so they don't have to remember the exact structure of the thing they are making, and then fill in the logic themselves, which is still very educational. It's fine to use it as long as it doesn't become a crutch. Yet, amid the digital despair, a question arises. Is ChatGPT actually making coders dumber? Firstly, the OG developers that do not rely on ChatGPT, maybe just a little bit on Copilot or Cody, don't really get affected by it. I planned and started to learn new tech skills, but suddenly I got stuck and started using ChatGPT. It solved all, then I copied and pasted. It continued like that until I finished the project, and then my mind started questioning. What is the point of me doing this and then stopping learning and coding? This is the slippery slope of convenience. We've become so accustomed to instant solutions that we've forgotten the value of learning through challenges and struggles. Some believe that ChatGPT heralds the end of traditional programming jobs. Things that allow more software to be written generally just cause more complex software to be written. The demand for software is insatiable. In a world where automation creates new possibilities, we might find ourselves needing even more programmers to oversee and manage these advanced systems. ChatGPT isn't an all-powerful wizard set to render programmers obsolete, nor is it an unmitigated boon. It's a double-edged sword that offers immense convenience while tempting us with the allure of laziness. In the end, ChatGPT and similar AI tools are not making us dumber. They're making us reevaluate how we work and encouraging us to adapt to a changing landscape. After all, ChatGPT may be down for a day, but our abilities as programmers should never be offline. Adapt, learn, evolve,